look so cute together. Yes.
Thank you so much.
So the soup base we have is this one is the house spicy Wagyu pot. But this is what they're famous for, is a golden collagen chicken pot. They have their own chicken farm, and the chicken's been stewed for over 10 hours. Oh my god. You know, collagen is good for the skin.
I bet it
So
is.
we don't need filler after this.
No more filler, just hot pot.
You never have a
Just
filler we're talking
What's
about.
a filler?
Exactly. Japanese A5 Wagyu comes. And then that is the tempura, popcorn chickens. That is cilantro bean, dragon fruit, shrimp mix. So shrimp mix with dragon fruit mixed together. So think of yeah. Oh yeah, Wagyu clay pot. Look at Genesis working. Oh my god.
That's a little actually.
It's humongous. Hey!
Oh my god.
I think we're gonna get for just eating the rice. Oh, so good.
Does that have egg in it?
Whoa! A5 Wagyu combo.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's so
So
pretty.
good. It doesn't pretty.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Thank you, Genesis, for your invite. True VIP. This is why you're true VIP.
Thank you. That's why I brought him here and forgot about him. Oh, he knows.
I don't want to suffer you. Click on content.
It's a little spicy, right? I can't believe it.
Oh, it's really good. You can taste the beef. So this is $55 soup. Look, there's a chicken in here. So I'm gonna try the $55 soup base. It's actually very good. Very rich chicken soup.
Time to party. Looks so good. We're like talking to like the manager and like the waiters, and we're just really like if the everyone's super
Service
sweet.
great.
The service is very good. Everything is amazing. We're taking
A lot of stuff.
smoothie and like literally so
Oh,
much.
my tip is don't always to the level of soup, or you can make it broth, or you can put a rice. So yummy. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Don't forget to subscribe, everyone.
Yes,
Like the video.
and don't follow Genesis.
Don't follow me.
She's famous. You don't
I already
need to follow.
blocked you before you follow me.
Okay, bye. Thank you, S-Pod, for this
Thank you,
amazing
S-Pod.
Wagyu House Expert.
I like
Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexion and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.